Assalamu alaikum. May the peace and blessings be upon you. My name is Faisal Haroon, and in this multi-part series of videos, we are going over the Sunday School program offered by the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning. In the previous video, we learned about our age policy, pre-registration, priority registration, open enrollment, waiting list, and late registration. This is the last video of the series, and in this video we will cover our fee structure, financial aid information, as well as some important resources. The main purpose of Ghamidi Center's Sunday School program is to educate people. We try our best to make sure that quality education is available to any seeker regardless of their financial situation. So let's take a look to find out how we do that. Our Sunday School fee structure is very simple. At the time of registration, you are charged a nominal yearly registration fee for each student. If you register during the late registration period, as described in the previous video, you are also charged a late registration fee. In addition to this, your credit card is charged 9 consecutive monthly payments of tuition fee. You can cancel your registration at any time, in which case you are not charged for any future months. Depending upon when you register, the tuition fee charges may appear on your credit card out of sync with the school year. This is normal and there is absolutely nothing to worry about. Our website accepts all major credit cards as well as most debit cards. It is important to note that all fees are charged in US dollars and that we have a no refund policy. The exact amount of registration as well as tuition fees can vary from one year to another, therefore it's being left out of this presentation. In order to find out the current fees, please visit the FAQ section of our Sunday School webpage. Even though our Sunday School fees are very nominal, we understand that some students may not be able to afford it. In order to help such students, we have financial aid in place. You can find the link to our financial aid application on our website or in the description of this video. All financial aid applications must be received by us no later than May 30th of each year. If your application is approved, we will notify you via email no later than July 15th. While our financial aid criteria is undisclosed, your financial aid application must establish that you're in fact a deserving student who is serious about education. Majority of financial aid students will be granted a fee waiver for our audit courses. However, a select few may be admitted to our live courses based on our criteria. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the important resources. We understand that deciding on appropriate courses, important school year dates, fee schedule, and registration can sometimes feel like a lot of information. But please don't worry. The single most important resource that you need to remember is our Sunday School webpage, ghamidi.org/Sunday-School. All the important information you need is neatly organized on this single web page and is kept updated as the new information becomes available. On this screen, you also see some shortcuts that will directly take you to the appropriate section of our Sunday School web page. In an unfortunate event that you want to drop out of our Sunday School program, you can easily do so from within your account at ghamidi.org/login. If you want to update your payment information, you can do so from within your account as well. Finally, if you have any questions regarding our Sunday School program, the most efficient way to contact administration is by going to the URL displayed on the screen and filling out a quick and easy form. This concludes the last video of our series. In this video, we learned about Ghamidi Center's Sunday School fee schedule and financial aid program. We also looked at some important resources that are available to you. I hope that this series of short videos was helpful, and I'm eager to have you register for our Sunday School program in the upcoming school year.